Most people in the world have a morning commute that starts off with traffic, lights, honking, and the usual daily grind. My commute isn't so different on the way to work, although this video isn't about that. It's about the sounds of when I arrive at the job. Living in South Florida, some of the more popular sounds in the morning are as followed, not in any particular order. The limpkin, otherwise known as the crying bird, can be heard end of winter into spring. The northern mockingbird, although not exclusive to Florida, is found mid to southern US, and its myriad of songs are unique yet familiar. Black-bellied whistling ducks are a common but beautiful sight here. They have a vocal songbird-type whistle, and are abundant in the hundreds, sometimes at different times of the day. Now on to some of the truly unique sounds. We start with my favorite, the white-handed gibbon, also known as the lar gibbon. They have a long song-like call that is complemented between the male and the female. It is soothing and mesmerizing at times. They can be heard early morning to early afternoon. The Simang, another type of gibbon, has a striking, always recognizable call that has many highs and lows. They are the largest gibbon and are also classified as a lesser ape. They are native to the rainforests of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. This next one usually needs no introduction. It's the African lion. Their sounds can be heard at all times of the day and night for miles, and go from loud roars to mournful moans, sometimes even resembling low barks or pulsing tones. They are in the genus Panthera and are as striking to view as they are to hear. The Sora's crane is a delight to watch as well as be heard. The male and female have a choreographed call that can be a bit overwhelming but beautiful, as well as stoic and serious. They have a wonderful dance they do each year to reaffirm their monogamous love of each other. The white rhino, or better described as the square-lipped rhino, has few sounds most people would recognize or associate. They hold a special place on this list in that they are one of the animals I have the privilege to help take care of. From grunts to bellows and sometimes wheezy whines or squeaks from the young, they are the most welcoming sound to my day. This familiar animal needs no introduction by its looks, but its sounds can be startling and soothing. It's the zebra, in this case the plain zebra. They whinny, snort, make yipping noises, and there is nothing like the roar of a herd in gallop. This sound can be misleading coming from a raptor, but the osprey, or sometimes referred to as a fishhawk, have a piercing songbird-like cry. With chirps and whistles, their calls can be heard far and wide and are beautiful and majestic. To finalize this list today is a little bird called a killdeer. Their sound is mostly noticed to me in late afternoon into the early evening, and is described as a shrill two-syllable call often heard as killdeer. I find them comforting after a long day, knowing the relenting Florida sun is almost gone. They are a delightful little bird that not only are vocal, but quirky in their movements. So, thanks for joining me on my day. The videos and sounds are not from the exact animals where I work, but these are the sounds I hear on most day-to-day weeks. Try to enjoy each day with all the sights, sounds, and smells life has to offer. And please support wildlife conservation programs and rewilding projects. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.